Creating a Visual Basic web browser. I happen to be using Microsoft Visual Studio Professional 2012. Create a new Visual Basic Windows Form application. Rename it. Make sure you know where it's being saved. Create a directory for this solution. OK. Test to make sure everything is working properly. I'm going to reset my Windows layout. Toolbox. I'll pin that down. Tool strip. Web browser. Select the form. View the properties. Alphabetical order. Text property. Make sure you know the name of the web browser object. So I'm going to click on the web browser to select it. And under properties, the name of it is Web Browser 1. Capital W, capital B. Click to select the tool strip. Click the drop down, text box. Under the properties, go up to name, change the name, TXT for text box, URL. Add 3 buttons. First button, give it the name of BTN for button. Go. Display style. Text. And the text. Go. Second button. BTN refresh. Display style. Text. Text. refresh. Third button, btn stop, display style, text, stop. Let's add the coding. First, let's go to the Go button, double click, go to the coding window, and the name of your web browser object, which is, again, let's click on it, web browser 1. Okay, go back to the coding window. Several ways to get to the coding window. This is probably the best way. It's to double click on the object you're going to program. For the Go button, we want the web browser 1, to navigate. And you notice navigate is a method, so we'll need to put in the parentheses. And where do we want to navigate to? Whatever we typed into our URL. Okay, go back to the design window. Let's go to refresh. Double click our web browser. And we want to refresh. Again, that's a method. So we need to put in the parentheses and go to stop. And again, web browser, and it was web browser 1. Oops. And we want to stop. Okay. Let's debug, start debugging. Resize our URL, http://butlercc.edu. Click go. We can refresh the page. Close the browser. Experiment. Let's add on another button. Let's call this one Test. Name of it is btn test. Display style text. And test, let's double click and let's experiment a little. Web browser 1. And let's see what else we have here. We have a lot of things that we can choose from. How about show print dialog? Try that one. debug, start debugging. Should save your project first, but it'll do it for you. And again, let's make this a little bigger. And again, let's go to msn.com, click go, and let's see what our test button does. And it shows a print dialog. Okay, that's it.